You heard about flowchart. So, before we begin, let me introduce myself. I am Libby C. Pukut. So, let's discuss about flowchart. So, first, define flowchart. Second, distinguish flowchart. Two, so the code. Third, explain the different flowcharting symbols. And fourth, discuss the different type of flowchart. And last, discuss importance of modeling tools. So, flowchart is a planning tool that graphically portrays a programming task. It is a visual diagram showing progress of work through a sequence of operation. So, flowchart is a tool that can be used as a plan. So, like this, that's any thing, that's any example niya. So, what is a flowchart? A flowchart is a diagram that depicts a process, system, or computer algorithm. They are widely used in multiple fields to document, study, plan, and improve and communicate often complex processes and clear, easy to understand diagrams. So, ang flowchart kay kuan kay siya no, ginagamit kay siya widely. So, para sa mo ginagamit po namo niyang flowchart like maghimo mi og kuan ng documents or a process like the previous one like this or like press ani maghimo mi ang ani. So, dali lagi siya bato no kay ang bato nimo siya kay drag and drop lang gyud ka nya makalinga po kay siya kay daghan siya kuan bitaw ning tools ba nya nang dali po ka makasabot. So, back to that topic. Flowchart, sometimes spelled as flowchart, use rectangles, ovals, diamond, and potentially numerous other shapes to define the type of step along with the connecting arrows to define flow sequence. So, ano, ang flowchart kay gamit po siya mga one shape like rectangle o oval like this. Like yan niyo na rectangle, diamond. Gamit po siya mga arrows like nga ni para malan nimo ba unsa nga pamaagi ay asa na siya ni kasunod-sunod ba. So, example of flowchart na like nga ni gamit sa mga shape and mga arrows na like triangle, squares, oval, nga na. Benefits and limitation of using a flowchart. Flowcharts certainly afford us the benefit in presenting our procedure, procedural plan in graphical format, although in some other way it admits of some limitation. So, ano po no? Ang flowchart na ipon siya ano, limitasyon sa paggamit ba? Dili tanan tanan butang na kuan ba ning infinite siya ba? So, for purpose of program documentation, flowchart serve the purpose as it present the step and more detailed. So, ang flowchart kay kuan po siya no, nag-present po siya mga steps ba like yan eh para dali siya nimo masabtan ba kay nagkasunod-sunod man gud siya like yan eh sa start so nag-arrow down na po siya input score arrow down na po so score is less than 90 pag diri ka sa left side no punta na siya excellent so diretso na siya sa baba may nga like nga na may arrow. So output grade na nga in kung kuha na pod kung diri ka sa left side, yes, score is less than 80. So diri ka yes na pod siya less than anton magka ubos-ubos bitaw siya. So mo na siya. Once the flowchart is drawn, it becomes easier to write or code the program into any programming language. Some of the limitations of flowchart are when the logic of programming develops in more detailed and rapid proportion, the flowchart has tendency of becoming difficult and ungraceful. So, ang flowchart po no kay nagamit po siya og logic like more siya kuan ba ng like yan no more siya na sequence ba nga maglibog ka unsay pamaagi and flowchart is meant for human communication only. No part of it is unstable to the machine. So, kuan lang gid ang flowchart kay para ra gid sa tao, dili para sa mga machine or robot. Types of flowchart. Document flowchart. These have the purpose of showing existing controls over document flow through the component of a system. The chart is read from left to right and the document the flow of document through the various business unit. So ang ang paggamit sa ay ang pagbasa sa flowchart kay kuan siya left to right siya kay para di ka maglibog. Data flowchart. This show the controls governing data flows in the system. Data flowcharts are used primarily to show the channel that data is transmitted through the system rather than how control flow. So, ang data flowchart no kay kuan siya nagamit sa og mga channel no kay para ma-transmit input one through system kay di man siya ma-control sa di siya makontrol sa flow ba. A flowchart from a program typically illustrates the logical sequence of operation or step the program follow from start to finish. So, ang flowchart kay gikan sa start padung na siya sa end like the previous that I showed to you. Like ingani start to end. System flowchart. This show the flow of data to and through the major components of a system such as data entry, program, storage media, processor, and communication network. So, paano ano? Kuan siya ba? Mura siya, dagan siya makagamit, dagan siya pamaagi. Unsa ano yung paggamit, aning ano, system flowchart. Program flowchart. This shows the controls placed internally to a program within a system. A flowchart for a program typically illustrates the logical sequence of operation or step the program follow from start to finish. So, mo na siya ang standard symbol sa flowchart. One, number one, terminal or terminator indicates start to end of the flowchart process. So, decision like na diamond represent the difference decision emerging from different points. O mo na siya so dili ka magkaroon decision nimo. So action and or process represent an action or process. So mo na siyang square ngayon na. So input and output sa mo ni diri diri na ang resulta kung kuan siya kung tama ba or mali. Holds the input and output information. So, connector indicates a flow connection to the next symbol. So, man siya. Document indicates a report or a document. So, multiple document indicates multiple document or reports. So, alternate indicates an alternate process to take place. Preparation indicates preparation taken for the follow step. Program flowchart. A program flowchart is a graphical representation of the logic in solving a problem. It provides detail of steps and sequence in which those steps are executed to generate meaningful result. So like this, mo ni siya ang program flowchart. Like yan ni. Kita ninyo ni. Mo ni siya guys. Imo na lang siyang sundon unsa ang flow siya yang tagan. Flowchart template. A template is especially tool for drawing flowcharts, flowcharting symbols, and to aid programmers in solving problems. Symbolic terms and usage. So, mo na to no, nag-explain ako ngayon na nga mo na siyang ginagamit na mo, mga symbol niya, yung mga shape, yan eh, siya. Ah, symbolic term and usage. Thermal and our thermal symbol is used to indicate the start and as well the ending and point of flowchart mo na siya. Ano eh, oval. Dili ka mag-type og start. So, ang last pod kani pod ang ibutang nimo sa ending kani. So, process is used to represent arithmetic operation or when casting individual mo na siya diri. Process kani mo na square. Input output mo na kani. Operation is also specifies the link between the input and output device. Decision used to evaluate a conditional statement and branch out the required process depending on the outcome of test which could be either true or false kani mo ni siya. Result na siya true or false by imong na answer. Predefined process indicates another block of code containing process steps in which declare what were procedurally separated from the main line of instruction. So, ang predefined process no kay maglahi siya kuan ba pagkabutang separate siya. So, preparation is used to define a set of variables. Normally, variables are defined by using process box mo siya man eh. Yeah. So, follow line is used to show the directional flow of the progress in a flowchart. It helps the reader to follow the procedural sequence in the flowchart by simply looking at where the direction of the flow line is heading mo na siya kani mo na gamit na mo. So, mo na siya tong sa previous no kaning mga araw mo na siya mo na yung ibutang on page connector. This symbol is typically small and used to jump from one point to another within the symbol page. So, kanira, pwede rin ikaw magamit ani. Kung gusto ka mo balhin sa pikas nga linya. Off-page connector is a small pentagon shape that used to show flowcharting jump from one page to next. Mo ni off-page connector na pentagon no. Labels and annotation symbol must contain appropriate labels and notation to give flowchart with its full meaning. So, ang annotation no kay kanang dapat appropriate ba label yun siya nya yang mga annotation kay sunod-sunod ba nya meaningful pod. So mo na akong ano is ma-explain sa flowchart. So salamat sa inyo sa pagpaminaw. Thank you. Oh.